Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. If you're someone who loves adding a personal touch to your home decor or just enjoys getting creative with DIY projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some amazing art and craft ideas you can use to decorate your home and make it truly your own. So, grab your supplies, get comfy, and let's get crafting. First up, let's talk about DIY wall art. This is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to refresh a space. You don't need to be a professional artist, trust me. You can use canvas boards, acrylic paints, masking tape, and a little creativity to create abstract geometric art. Try taping off random shapes, painting each section with your favorite colors, and peeling the tape once it dries for a clean, modern look. You can even go minimalist with black and white or use gold accents for an elegant vibe. Next, let's make some pressed flower frames. Head outside, gather some flowers and leaves, and press them between the pages of a heavy book for a few days. Once they're completely dry, arrange them between two pieces of glass and frame them. Hang these on a wall or place them on a shelf for a natural, elegant touch that brings the outdoors in. You can create different frames for different seasons. Think cherry blossoms in spring or colorful leaves in the fall. Now, let's move to something super cozy, macrame wall hangings. Macrame is totally in style right now, and you only need a wooden dowel and some cotton cord to get started. There are tons of easy patterns online for beginners. These add a boho charm to any room and look stunning above a bed, couch, or entryway bench. You can also experiment with adding beads or dip dyeing the ends for an ombre effect. Looking to refresh your shelves? Try making decorative mason jars. Paint them in pastel or metallic tones, wrap them with jute rope or lace, and add faux flowers, twinkle lights, or even sand and shells for a coastal theme. These work great as table centerpieces, kitchen organizers, or bathroom accessories for storing cotton pads or brushes. Speaking of fairy lights, here's a fun one, photo clip string lights. Take a set of string lights with clips, and hang up your favorite photos, postcards, or mini artwork pieces. It creates a warm, personalized atmosphere, perfect for bedrooms or living areas. You can even switch the pictures out each season or for special events like birthdays and anniversaries. Next on the list, hand-painted plant pots. Grab a few terracotta pots and give them a makeover. Use acrylic paints to add patterns, quotes, or cute designs like cacti, polka dots, or tribal prints. Once dry, pop in your favorite plants, succulents, herbs, or flowers, and you've got instant charm. These also make adorable gifts for friends and family. Let's not forget about DIY candle holders. You can use small glass jars or old wine glasses. Paint the outside with frosted glass paint, tie a ribbon or twine around the top, and drop in a tea light. These look gorgeous on dining tables, coffee tables, or windowsills, especially during the holidays or dinner parties. Another great project is fabric-wrapped canvas art. Pick a bold, patterned fabric, maybe something with florals or abstract designs, and wrap it around a blank canvas. Staple it to the back, and hang it like a piece of art. It's simple, no painting required, and you can match it to your room's theme. For a fun and functional craft, make your own bulletin board. Cover a corkboard with fabric or wallpaper, add decorative pushpins or tacks, and use it to display notes, pictures, or artwork. Great for home offices or kitchens. You can even turn it into a vision board with inspirational quotes and goals. Let's also do some recycled bottle vases. Take old glass bottles, like wine or soda bottles, clean them up, and spray paint them in colors that match your home. Add a touch of gold or silver for elegance. You can decorate the neck with twine, beads, or charms for an extra unique touch. Have a blank hallway wall? Try a DIY gallery wall. Mix and match different art prints, framed quotes, small mirrors, or even handmade paper crafts. Lay them out on the floor first to test your arrangement, then hang them up for a super personalized display. Add 3D elements like mini shelves or wall planters for dimension. For the kids' room or a playful vibe, try paper garland decor. Cut out shapes like hearts, stars, or circles from colorful cardstock, and string them together with thread or fishing line. Hang them across windows, bookshelves, or along the ceiling for a festive feel. You can also use origami birds or butterflies to make it more artistic. Looking to add texture? Create your own textile hoop art. Use embroidery hoops and stretch fabric scraps, lace, or even old shirts inside. Add some stitching, beads, or just leave them plain. Hang a few together in a cluster for a cozy, crafty display. This is also a fun way to preserve meaningful fabric like baby clothes or old t-shirts. Another quick idea: clay trinket dishes. Use air-dry clay to mold little dishes or trays. Once they're dry, paint them with metallic or marbled effects and seal them with a clear varnish. They're perfect for holding jewelry, keys, or coins and make great handmade gifts too. Let's try making decorative wooden signs. You can use reclaimed wood, stencils, and paint to create signs with your favorite quotes, your family name, or even seasonal greetings. Sand the edges for a rustic look or use chalk paint for a farmhouse style. These signs are perfect for entryways, porches, or kitchens. Another fun and easy project is DIY coasters. Use cork tiles, ceramic tiles, or wood slices, and decorate them with paint, fabric, or even decoupage using napkins or magazine cutouts. Seal them with Mod Podge or a clear varnish, and you've got functional art for your coffee table. Want a relaxing corner? Try making a hanging wall shelf. All you need is a wooden plank, some rope, and a hook. Drill holes at each corner, thread the rope through, and knot underneath. Hang it from a sturdy hook, and use it to display plants, candles, or small knickknacks. You can also create a DIY mirror frame using craft sticks, shells, beads, or even rolled magazine strips. Glue them around a basic mirror and paint them to match your decor. It's a great way to upgrade a plain mirror into a statement piece. And lastly, don't forget the power of seasonal crafts. For example, during fall, make pumpkin centerpieces using paper make or fabric. In winter, craft snowflake garlands or pinecone ornaments. In spring and summer, try floral wreaths and beach-themed shadow boxes. Rotating these throughout the year keeps your space feeling fresh and festive. Phew! That was a whole bunch of fun and creative ideas, and I hope they've inspired you to grab your tools and start decorating your home with your own personal touch. The best part? You don't need a big budget or fancy supplies, just a bit of imagination and some crafty spirit. If you enjoyed these ideas and found them helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And hey, if you're into DIY projects, home makeovers, or just want more creative inspiration in your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Keep creating, keep decorating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting!